Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward tutorial on how to withdraw XDC from your Trust wallet to your Tangem wallet in 2025. Whether you're a beginner looking to manage your assets more securely or just wanting to switch wallets, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your Trust Wallet app is up to date. This ensures you have the latest features and security patches for 2025. Open the app and navigate to your wallet dashboard. Look for the XDC token in your assets list. If you don't see it, you might need to add it manually by searching for XDC in the token search bar. Once you've selected XDC, tap on it to view your balance. Now, hit the Send or Withdraw button. This is where the magic happens. You'll need your Tangem wallet address ready. Open your Tangem Wallet app, go to the Receive section, and copy the XDC address or scan a QR code for accuracy. Paste that address into the To field in Trust Wallet. Next, enter the amount of XDC you want to withdraw. Double-check that it's the right figure. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible. You'll also see a network fee estimate, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your Trust Wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. After you send it off, give it a few minutes to process on the blockchain. Head over to your Tangem wallet and refresh the screen to see your XDC arrive. Boom! You're done. A quick tip: always use a secure network and double-check addresses to prevent any scams or errors. In 2025, with evolving tech, make sure both wallets are compatible with the latest XDC network updates. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there and happy trading.